TLM Foot-Knee-Back-Arm Orthotics Center is an award-winning medical center in Singapore, providing revolutionary full-body orthotic treatments for patients with musculoskeletal pain. TLM is founded by President and Chief Orthotist Madam Li Ming in 1997, and we lead the Singapore's orthotics industry by creating bespoke non-invasive treatments using TLM's orthotic technology. Musculoskeletal system conditions generally affect the muscles, bones, joints and associated tissues such as tendons and ligaments. They are typically characterized by pain, often persistent and chronic, due to inflammation, and severely limits mobility, dexterity and functional ability. Some of the most common musculoskeletal system conditions that we treat at TLM are knee osteoarthritis, ankle pronation, bunion and overlapping toes, heel spur, plantar fasciitis, slip disc, and scoliosis. Our company's founder and chief orthotist, Madam Li Ming, specializes in treating patients with foot, knee and back pain caused by musculoskeletal system conditions. She worked in different hospitals for the past 20 years in various clinical departments such as orthopedics, sports medicine, pain management, rehabilitation medicine, physiotherapy, neurology and hand surgery. She improved the design of orthoses to use them as a form of non-invasive medical treatment rather than for simply holding and supporting injured or deformed joints. Therefore, she developed a unique orthotic insole and footwear treatment system using TLM's orthotics technology to push the boundaries of the orthotics industry. Almost all patients see improvements after treatment and many recovered fully from their musculoskeletal system conditions. Each pair of orthotic insoles and orthotic footwear are produced at the center and designed specifically for their wearer. They help a patient's body find its ideal balancing position and corrects body alignment back to how it was before deformation, which improves the patient's body structure and posture. TLM's orthotic insoles and orthotic footwear are used to treat over 95% of our patients. No medication, injection or surgery is needed. We have also received feedbacks from patients showing improvements in other related illnesses such as diabetes, high blood pressure, varicose veins and swollen ankle during treatment. These are the treatment results that can be achieved by our orthotic insoles and orthotic shoes. These positive results will benefit our patients for the rest of their life. We have received many local and international awards from 2015 to 2020. We also make customized insoles and customized footwear for people who have not developed musculoskeletal system conditions. They provide a form of prevention against such illnesses in the future. If you're interested to know more, visit us at www.tlmbrace.com.sg.